Today, I'm showing you how to make insane profits without breaking a sweat, or without even being in front of a screen using Nova's copy trading feature. If you've been keeping an eye on the meme coin space, you know how crazy it can be. The massive swings, the hype, and yes, the potential for massive profits. But if you're new to crypto, or just don't have the time to keep up with every coin, don't worry, I've got you covered. Nova is the most talked about meme coin trading bot in the game right now, and this is your chance to get in on the action while other people are still trying to figure it out. I also want to mention, I have a full tutorial on Nova, so make sure to check that out if you want to go into detail on all it can do. For this video, I'm showing you exactly how to find wallets to copy and set up your trade quickly to get you into the action without staring at screens for 10+ hours a day. If you are new to Nova, you will need an access code to unlock the bot. Simply sign up with my link down below using code Solana MemeCoins and you'll get instant access to everything right now. No waiting, no hassle. Let's get you into the game. What is copy trading? Copy trading is when you program a bot to follow the buys and sells of a profitable wallet you find. Since everything is visible on the blockchain, we can see what every wallet buys and sells. We can use that to our advantage through advanced copy trading options like what is offered by Nova. Let's go over how to find a solid, profitable wallet to copy trading with. First, go to dexscreener.com and select the Solana chain from the options on the left. From here, we can set the trending to 24 hours and you can click either the transactions or volume, and now the results are sorted by highest volume or highest transactions. Let's see what has done well over the last 24 hours or so. Yeezy Coin has done well. Let's look here. Remember, we want to find a wallet that makes smart buys and sells on a coin that did well, not looking to buy the coin itself. Once in the chart, head over to the top traders tab, which shows the wallets that have made the most on this coin. When you find one you like, click the transaction link on the far right for the wallet. This will open the SolScan page where we can copy the full wallet address. Once you have that full address, head back to DexScreener and move to the transactions tab and click the maker column header. Here, you can enter the wallet address and click apply. Doing this will show where on the chart the wallet bought and sold. I like the look of this. Let's set up a copy trade. The next step is where the magic happens. Now let's head over to Nova and start our copy trade setup. Once start the bot, click copy trade to begin. This will open the copy trade home. From here, we will select a new task. We then need to enter the wallet we are copying, and this opens all the setting options for this copy trading task. Let's go over these from the top down. First off, you select the wallet that you want to use to make the buys, and the buy method. Here we can sell ELK, exact, percentage, or fixed amount. For this setup, I am going to choose percentage and do 10%. This means if this wallet buys 5 Solana, this bot will buy 0.5 Solana. This choice will depend on your portfolio and choose what would work best for your style. Next is the minimum and maximum market cap of the coins you want to enter. I don't want to copy any trades, any tokens that are less than 50,000 in market cap. And I don't want to copy any trades on tokens with over 10 million in market cap. All we have to do is simply set accordingly. Next is the minimum and maximum buy trigger amount. For this, I will put 0.5 Solana minimum and 10 Solana max, meaning that if a buy amount is above or below these amounts, the bot will not buy. Below this is the option to follow sells. Make sure to have this enabled. If you are not online, you could miss potential profit being taken. There's also an option to only buy once. This can be a safer option, and if that is for you, go ahead and turn that on. Moving along, we have fees and slippage. These can be edited to your needs, though I'm going to leave them as is for this run. The next options are for purchasing MEV protection. I strongly recommend these are always left on to ensure the safest transactions possible. If you want to know more about MEV protection and what it does, leave a comment below. As we get to the bottom, there's options for take profit and stop loss settings, which are available if needed and can be set easily here. I'm going to follow the wallet being copied and leave off. And finally, the last option is to start the task and run the settings selected. Make sure this is set to running, and your bot will be waiting and watching this wallet, ready to follow their next move and ship profit to you without even lifting another finger. If you found value in this, hit that like and subscribe. See you on the next one.